Good afternoon, my students in grade 5.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Very good, Prawa. Good afternoon, teachers. And good afternoon, classmates. Again, good afternoon, grade 5.
Good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, classmate.
Okay, you say teachers because teacher Yin is here. And classmates because there's a lot of students in here, right? So classmates, me as. Okay, let's sing a song. We're going to sing It's a Small World After All. I want everybody to sing this song. It's a
It's a
world of
world
laughter, a world of tears. It's a world
of
of
tears. It's
hope
a
and a
world
world
of
of
hope
fears. There's so
of
much
fear.
that we
There's so
share,
much
and
that
it's
we
time
share.
we're
That is
going.
time.
It's a
There
small world
is a small world
after
after
all.
all.
It's a small
A
world
small world
after all.
after all.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all.
After
It's a
all, it's a
small,
small,
small
small world.
world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and the smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains seem high and the
And the
oceans are
ocean
wide, it's
around
a
is a
small
small world after all.
It's a
It's
small
a small world
world.
after all.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
world
after
after
all.
all.
It's a
A
small world
small world
after
after
all. It's
all.
a
It's a
small,
small,
small
small world.
world. It's a
A
small
small
world
world
after
after
all.
all.
It's a
Is
small
a
world
small world
after
after
all.
all.
It's a
Is a
small
small
world
world
after
after all. Is
It's a
a
small,
small,
small
small
world.
world.
It's a
Is
small
a small world
world.
after all.
It's a
Is a small
small
world after
world.
all.
It's a
Is a
small
small world after
world. It's
all.
a
Small, small world. Small, small, small world.
It's a small world. We're living in a world, in one world. Okay, I'm alive, alert, awake. Let's see, I'm alive, alert, awake. Ready? I'm alive, alert, awake,
I'm alive,
enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm
alert,
alive,
awake,
alert, awake, enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm
alert,
alive,
awake,
alert, awake,
awake, alert,
awake,
alive,
alert,
I'm
awake.
alive,
I'm
alert,
alive,
awake,
alert, awake,
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
Faster. I'm alive, alert, awake,
Alert, awake,
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm alive,
alert,
alert,
awake,
awake,
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm
alert,
alive,
awake.
alert, awake,
Awake, alert,
awake, alert,
alive,
alive. I'm alive, alert, awake,
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
Okay, very good. Do you want to sing very fast? Let's do it. Ready? Very, very fast. I'm alive,
Malash,
alert, awake,
wait to see a
enthusiastic.
thing.
I'm alive, alert,
I'm
I'm
alive,
awake,
alert,
very
awake,
enthusiastic.
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 I'm alive,
I'm
I'm
alive,
alert,
alert,
very
awake,
awake, alert,
awake,
good
alert,
morning,
alive.
Malash.
I'm
I'm
alive,
very
alert, awake,
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
Let's start with our lesson. What is our subject for this moment?
Math.
Okay, our subject for this moment is math. And we're going to learn about ta-da, about rectangular.
Rectangular prism shape.
Okay, so we're going to learn all about rectangular prism shapes. But before that, let's review. Okay, what is a 3D or three-dimensional shape? Let's read. A three-dimensional figure,
A three-dimensional figure encloses
It
a part
possesses
of
a
space.
part of space.
space. Okay, so a three-dimensional figures encloses a part of space. So not like 2D shape. A 2D shape is very easy. We need to remember two things in 2D shape. The width and the length. ใช่ไหม? While in 3D shape, we have to remember three things. Width, length, height. ใช่ไหม? 3D, three important things. 2D, two important things only. And 2D is easy. We can just draw this one on a piece of paper. Example. Example of 2D or two-dimensional shape is what? Circle. ใช่ไหม? A simple circle. What else? What else? Square. You can draw a square on a paper. ใช่ไหม? That's 2D, two-dimensional shape. What else? Triangle. What else? Heart. Rectangle.
Star.
Pentagon. ใช่ไหม? Right? But if I will ask you about polygon, when I say polygon, can you give me an example of polygon?
Square.
Square. What else?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. What else?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Very good. How about if I say circle? Is it a pentagon?
Hmm?
Is it pentagon a circle? Yes or no?
No, it's
No.
not polygon.
It's not. Siya, pentagon. Polygon. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Circle is not a polygon. ใช่ไหม? Tamay. Because it's
Have curve in a straight line.
good. A circle is not straight. It's a curve. Right? It's a curve. When you say polygon, it has straight line and it has corner and it's close. ใช่ไหม? Close. Straight line and close. How about semicircle? Is it a polygon or no?
No.
No, because it has a curve also. So when we say 3D or three-dimensional shapes, these are the examples. Can you name these shapes? So we have here cube, ใช่ไหม? Cube,
Cube.
cylinder,
Cylinder.
sphere,
Cone.
cone. And this one, rectangular base, square base pyramid. You can see square base pyramid. Okay. There is also there are also three important words that we have to remember when we say 3D, three-dimensional figures. Okay, let's read these three important things. Number one, the first word is faces.
faces,
Okay, can you read the flat surfaces?
the flat surfaces,
Okay, so when you say faces, that's the flat surface of the 3D. How about edge or edges? The segments
segments
or
formed by intersecting faces,
okay, and the vertices, the point
vertices, the point formed by intersecting
edges.
edges.
Okay, so here you can see. So this is the face of the prism or of the 3D, and this one is the edges, and the vertices. It's the vertices here. Okay, we called it vertices or corner. Okay, vertices or corner, they're the same. Okay, prism. What is prism? Has two parallel
Has two parallel and congruent
bases
bases in the shape of polygon. The shape of the bases tells
tells
the name of the prism.
time. Okay, so the base of the prism tells what's the name of that prism. Example, this one. Look at the base. This is the base. I will show you the base. So here is the base, Shemai. This is the base of the prism. What shape is this? Rectangle.
Rectangular prism.
So the base is shaped rectangle. We called it rectangular prism. Okay. So since the base of this shape is rectangle, we called it rectangular prism. The shape. Tapay. Okay, this one. Let us read. Pyramid has
Has a polygon for a base and triangles for
side.
sides. The shape of the base tells the name of
The pyramid.
the pyramid.
So what kind of pyramid do you think this one? What shape of the base? Okay, let's draw.
Square base.
Chai, the base is
Square.
square. So what do we call for this one? Square
Square
base.
base pyramid.
Very good. It's a square base pyramid. Okay. This one is a cone. Let's read. A cone has curve,
Has curved surfaces, a
circular
circular base, and one vertex.
side. So the base of the cone is circle or circular. Okay, so the base of the cone is circular. We call it cone. A cone. Circular. Next. Cylinder. Okay, read. Has curved
Cylinder has curved surfaces, two circular bases, and no
no
vertices.
right. Cylinder may me vertices. Okay, there are two circular base. Bottom and top. Okay, so this one we called cylinder. Okay, how about this one? Spear. Everybody say spear.
Sphere
Okay, sphere
has no faces,
bases, has
bases,
no bases,
edges, or vertices. All the points are the same distance from a given point called the center.
Okay, so sphere has no faces, bases, edges, or vertices. All points are the same distance from the given point called the center. So if you put here, so this is the center. Okay, this is the center. Example of this sphere shape is our globe. This is a globe. Or a ball. A ball is an example of sphere, ใช่ไหม? An apple, an orange. What else? A soccer ball. Okay, so those are example of sphere. Now let's focus on rectangular prism. Okay, let's focus on rectangular prism. We're going to um, get the surface area of a rectangular prism. Example on this one. Let's watch a video first.
Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. And remember, when it comes to surface area, simply put, it's the total area of the outside part or layer of a 3D figure. So when it comes to rectangular prisms, they have 6 faces. So we need to find the area of each face and add all of that up in order to get the surface area. Now at the top of your screen in blue, we are going to use that formula there in order to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So surface area equals 2 times front or back plus 2 times right or left plus 2 times top or bottom. So let's talk about what that means. Now, I have everything multiplied by 2 because, for example, if we pick the front or back, let's say we pick the front here, if we find the area of the front, we can multiply that by 2 because the back is the exact same as the front. Same with right and left. We can find the area of the right face and then multiply it by 2 because the left is the exact same as the right. Same with top and bottom. So let's get into finding the surface area here, and we'll start with surface area equals 2, and we need to find the area of the front or back. So let's find the area of the front where we have a 6 by 2. So we can do area equals length times width for a rectangle. Plug in. Area equals 6 times a width of 2. And we get an area of 12 square inches for the front. So we could plug in 12 here. Plus, now we need to do the right and left. Now, but before I get to that, I want to mention to the right here, I have a net of that rectangular prism. So basically, I unfolded it so you can see all of the faces. And it's not in 3D form. So it kind of lays everything out so we can visualize what we're doing a little better. So as of right now, we have 12 square inches here for the area of the front and the back. So let's do right and left. So we'll pick the right side here, the right face, and we have a 3 by 2. So area equals length times width, so we could plug in 3 times 2, and that gives us an area of, let's actually write it out, length times width, area equals 3 times 2, so that area is going to be 6 square inches. So again, that's the right and left. So we would do 2 times 6 for the right and left. And lastly, we need to do the top and the bottom. So we're going to take a look at the top where we have a 6 by 3. So area equals length times width. Plug in 6 times 3, and we get an area of 18 square inches. So our bottom is 18 square inches and our top is 18 square inches. So we would plug in 2 times 18. Now let's start solving. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 2 times 18 is 36. So the the front and back combined, we have an area of 24 square inches. The right and left, combined area of 12 square inches, and the top and bottom has a combined area of 36 square inches. So we have all of our faces included. Now we just need to add everything together. So surface area equals 24 plus 12 is 36, plus 36 gives us an answer of 72 square inches. So that's the area of all of the faces added together. So there you have it. There's how you find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Again, find the area of each face and then add all of that together. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
Okay, let's try if we can do that. Okay, so we have here surface area. Okay, we're going to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Okay, now look at this one. Number 1. This shape is like a box. Shemai? We called it rectangular